Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Motorola Moto G84 5G. For that you want to first of all take your SIM card ejector or a paper clip to open your SIM card slot here, and we're going to do that, and then we take this thing out, and then we have our SIM card here, and we have a space for our SD card. So we take our SD card and put that in, and then we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. Now we need to unlock our SIM card first of all, then we're back in the phone, and when we now go to settings and go to storage, it's loading. So we have our device here, and then we can also choose SanDisk SD card, and we can, well, store and save things on our SD card now. So that's how you can insert your SD card to your Motorola Moto G84 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.